Hi dear customers, this is our newest model center core machine, which you can make the center core for nylon zipper. Now let me explain to you how this machine is working. Let me explain to you one by one. So if you want to make the double center core, I mean trimmed center core, okay, double center core. First, you put the yard stand here, okay. The yard can come to here to make the bobbin. For example, I want to make the yard 5 pieces here by one line together, and then we have 2 bobbin here. You can do this process from here. So you can set up how many times to be 1 bobbin from here, okay, from frequency, okay. And then when the setup figure arrive, machine will stop automatically, and then your worker can cut it by shears and then take it out, and you can put another one again to be here. So here is the one of the function of this machine. And then the second function, the second process I want to explain to you is about how to make the double center core by this machine. Okay, after you take this bobbin, you can put it inside. You see here, inside is the bobbin. For example, now I want to make the 4 multiply 5 this center core. 4 pieces like this, and every one has 5 pieces here. How you can do? Look at, you put the bobbin which your worker took from here and put it inside here, and then 4 pieces bobbin, okay, can be do 1 piece center core. Why? Because look at here is the you can see the running by here. Later we will operate this machine and show to you. Here by 6,000 times running, and with high speed you can get the center core like this one, okay. So this is the running process to make the double center core. If you want to make the single center core, please see another video, and I will explain to you how to make the single center core with this machine.